I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks progress. Check your account rank and open NAT now. Once confirmed, gather the 3 resources listed: credits, a token, and a toolkit, so you can perform the unlock steps without interruption. Make sure permissions and any client settings are enabled. This avoids permission errors mid-process. Begin the client and navigate directly to the Pulsar Wtd panel. Because starting the activation sequence, you now follow the core retrieval procedure. Go to Menu, then Devices, then select Pulsar Wtd. This targets the exact module you need. Once there, insert the token and choose Protocol A. Protocol A is more reliable for most accounts, which is why we pick it. Press Start and watch the progress bar. Keep an eye on logs for warnings. If a step stalls, pause, recheck token seeding and network state, then resume so the process can finish cleanly. You complete the procedure by confirming the checksum and selecting Complete, then export the receipt for your records so you have proof of success. Once done, verify functionality by testing Pulsar Wtd in safe mode. This isolates it from plugins. If something goes wrong, try the single most effective fix first. Reseat the token, restart the client, and clear cache. This resolves 80% of failures. If issues persist, collect the console log and escalate with the exported receipt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.